Great food isn't just about good ingredients and knowing how to cook, it's about telling the story of the food. Welcome to Cara's Cucina. I'm Cara Di Falco. Today I'm going to show you how to make a Southwest style stuffed pepper. So we're going to be using quinoa as the base for our filling. So of course, once again, a whole grain, often touted as a superfood. Really what makes quinoa special is that it's a complete food in and of itself, meaning it has a balanced amount of carbohydrates, protein, and fat just within each kernel. So on its own, it's really just a wonderful thing to eat, but we're going to really jazz it up a little bit. So we've got about 3 cups of cooked quinoa, or about 1 cup dry when you started, cooked in water or vegetable stock, again, just according to package instructions. And I'm going to add in 1 cup of salsa. Now for the salsa, you can get whatever you like, mild, medium, spicy, whatever your heat preference is. Salsa is a great cooking hack because anytime you have a recipe that calls for chopped tomato, onions, and peppers, those are literally the ingredients of salsa. So you can get it, it's already chopped up for you, and it makes life really easy. The next thing I'm gonna put in is 1 cup of corn kernels. Now this, a little out of season for the Northeast right now, but you can buy them frozen. Frozen veggies are perfectly fine. And then it's already off of the cob for you as well. So 1 cup of those. I've got 1 15-ounce can of black beans that I rinsed and drained. We'll get those in there. And then we are gonna season everything with salt, 2 teaspoons of cumin, and about a ½ teaspoon of chili powder. Or again, if you'd like things to be more spicy, you can certainly add more chili powder in. If you don't like things to be spicy at all, you can use black pepper instead of the chili powder as well. And we're gonna get this all mixed up. I have my oven preheating to 350 degrees and 3 bell peppers. I just picked different colors. You can use whichever ones you like. In my Pyrex dish, I halved them, got all the seeds out. The dish I sprayed with a bit of olive oil, and then I sprayed the interior of the peppers also with a little bit of olive oil. So now we're gonna stuff them with our filling. Depending on the size of your peppers and how stuffed you like them, you might wind up with extra filling. That's fine. You can totally eat this on its own, just again as a grain salad, which was something that I showed you guys last week. So you have a lot of options here, but we're gonna get these filled, and then we're gonna cover this with foil and bake it for about 30 minutes. Gonna cover these up. And again, they're gonna head into the oven at 350 for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, you can uncover your peppers. If you want to top them with some shredded cheese, you can do that. Pop them back in the oven for a few more minutes if you want a softer pepper as well. Otherwise, these are ready to go. They make great leftovers. You can easily store them in your refrigerator. Top them with whatever you want. Shredded cheese, more salsa, sour cream, fresh avocado, fresh cilantro, whatever your flavor profile is, throw it on here. This is a great, super healthy dinner or lunch for you. That's it for this week in the Cucina. I'll see you guys next time.